Now this is the green leaf desmodium, and you know it is a protein, eh? You can use it as a supplement wakati unalisha ng'ombe zako, as long as it is 30% of the total feed. The animal will really improve in terms of production. Yeah. So you see, as you are saying, eh, the cutting should be just at least some 5 to 10 centimeters. Sprouting itakuwa better. You can see this plot vile imekuwa maridadi. It's so nice. So unasema unapeana kilo ngapi per day?
4 kgs.
Sorry?
4 kgs.
4 kilos per cow.
Per cow, yeah.
Okay, so you're using how many cows to test?
I think I'll just give them 2 kgs.
Okay. For both of them, for those guys who are milking. This is very nice, man. Green leaf desmodium. You'll have a steer for years. This is a very nice protein content. Very nice thing. So you fill the forms, eh? I'll come for them. It's green leaf desmodium. Yeah, you can see they're spacing 30 apart. Crude protein 16, 22%. Dry matter 12 to 19 tons per hectare. Green leaf desmodium. Scientific name Desmodium intertum. I can see that the other plot is also imeanza ku sprout, eh? Hii ya nini? Ya Clotolarius and Hem. Even the panicum, unaona vile imesprout vizuri pale. Yes, it started very nice. The panicum sprouting is nice. I've seen the other one also. Bracharia, Cobra and Bracharia. Cayman. That's a good job. So all this is for the animals to improve productivity.